I'm Andy Spence, Contracts Manager at Beard Construction. Today we're at Kitchener Hall. We're doing substantial demolition, strip out and refurbishment of existing living accommodation to form 190 single living units. So Serco are our customer up here. The contract is an NEC4 contract which promotes early and open engagement. The programme here is 117 weeks. The contract value is just over £31 million. So here we've got 5 wings and it's all about sequencing. We've done this by employing up to 12 managers for the project, each having clear ownership of various sections of the building. So this room is typical of how we found the rooms, and we need to soft strip them, carry out demolitions and structural alterations. Also, we're removing gas from the building. It's only going to have an electric supply now, and all heating of water and heat to the building is going to be done via air source heat pumps. Within the central wing here, we've completed demolition of this room, which has involved the removal of stud partitions, some of which are masonry, removed asbestos panelling in the walls, blocked them up, filled in redundant doorways and formed new structural openings, which works with the new layout required. We're now in Wing B, which has progressed slightly more than central. So in here we start doing the builder's work, which you can see has been set out to ensure we're forming the holes in line with tested details. We put loads of work into this up front to make sure that we've got the right spacing between the holes, the penetrations and the type of surface going through each hole. We're now in Wing B, up on level 2. On all the wings we've had to remove the existing ceiling. As you can see, the existing ceilings were cement with mesh and steel bracketry to them, but unfortunately it did not comply to the current fire regulations. We've had to reinstate an SFS joist system with 2 layers of fire line board so that the ceiling complied to a tested system. Also within the roof space we've had to strengthen the purlins prior to putting the new ceiling up. This is because PV has been installed on the south elevation. So all the windows on the project are being removed and replaced. 820 new windows going in. They're going to be UPVC and they're upgraded to triple glazing, complete with EPDMs to help with the energy efficiency of the building. We're now in Wing A, which is the most progressed of all the 5 wings. The fire ceiling's installed, new screed's been laid, dry lining first fixes commenced. In here you can see containment has been installed, ductwork and pipe work into the showers from the riser. Lots of consideration was taken around pipe routes to ensure that firewalls weren't breached and that we could install in line with tested details. In the courtyard, we've invested in removing the topsoil, tarmacking the area to use this area as a holding zone for waste streams in and out of the building. This zone is a plant-only area managed purely by our subcontractor HDR. So we've got loading bays to feed the job and we've got 2 chutes to take waste out from the building. The strategy around the courtyards wasn't the approach taken at tender, but once we engaged with our supply chain, we felt utilising the courtyards would make us work in the most efficient manner for all of us.